Oh!
We got a frog loose in the pool. Sophie's trying to rescue it.
Look, Caleb. Oh, baby, you're gonna die. I know.
Hey guys, this is Caleb from ZippyKnights, and today we're gonna be going to Williamsburg.
Where are we staying, Sophia?
I don't know. Of course you do. I don't know where we're staying.
We're staying at the Kingsmill Resort in Williamsburg, Virginia.
Yay!
Exit to US 60, Williamsburg, Busch Gardens.
Here we are, entering Williamsburg. Coming in, we're about a mile out from the resort. So we're right near Jamestown and Colonial Williamsburg and Busch Gardens. This is where we're staying. It's so pretty through here. We excited, guys?
Yeah.
Excited, Soph?
Yeah.
We have a one-bedroom condo with a full kitchen and like a family room area that has a pull-out couch for the kids.
Up. It's 12:11.
Okay, that
Which one is it?
right here.
Okay. Here, take the key. Can you open the door?
So easy for you, and then we're over here struggling. Oh, this is nice. And the sink, two, I guess, and there's a stove.
See what we got back here, Caleb. Let's look the better view. That's just a little side window. Let's
There's a
go out here. There's a view of the golf course. All right, let's go see the a cool little fireplace.
Yeah, let's check out this room. There's another TV.
We are now waiting for the golf cart to come pick us up to take us to the pool. We've made it to the pool and we're going to give you guys a little pool tour. Now, let's start off with the slide, shall we? Now, unfortunately, my father filming this cannot follow me up there.
I know, and I heard my
So he's gonna stay down here and I'm just gonna go down. Okay, see you guys down here. Okay, we're gonna jump in. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yay!
It's salt water.
Yeah, it's salt water, not chlorine. So go open your eyes, 'cause trust me, it burns.
Yeah, because yesterday we opened your eyes once and it hurt.
Look, Caleb. Oh, by the way, this is the lazy river. See you guys when we get there. We are currently at the marina on the James River, and we are going to explore and see if there's a place where we can maybe swim.
So we test the water, so like how warm it is. So now we're gonna get in.
And hope we don't. Yeah.
We're not.
You're fine. Ew, it's squishy. I don't like it.
Oh, that's you, Caleb. He's coming towards you. Turn around.
Like it's a lot of gray. No,
Oh my god. It's so little.
Yes, I will. Oh, there's even tinier. Mama, please don't murder me. I wasn't touching the child, I swear.
these guys are pretty cool. All right, thanks for visiting.
I'll miss
See you later.
What did we do last night?
We went to the pool.
Yeah. Did anything happen at the pool? What happened?
So we were all just swimming in the pool, chilling, and like some 3-year-old decided it was a toilet instead of a pool.
So what are we gonna do today?
Went to the pool again.
Go back to the pool.
So we'll see you at the pool. Bye.
Bye. Now it's time to use my mermaid tail. Let's hope I don't burn my butt trying to get this thing on. I just jumped in the pool because it's way too hot to put this thing on from out there. You ready?
Ready.
Oh, it feels so good. I haven't swam in this thing in forever. It's worth the wait. We are going to play Marco Polo, or our version is we say Lot Vader. Vader! I hear you. I can hear you. Okay, Lot.
Caleb's cheating.
Here we are, Kingsmill Resort, our last day. We are getting ready to check out. We've had a really great stay. Sophia, what was your favorite part about our trip?
The water slide.
The water slide. That was super cool. I know Daddy and I were super bummed we didn't get to participate because we're apparently too tall. So I think 60 inches, was that
60.
the max height on that?
I think so.
So that was the only like bummer about the water slide.
I don't know why it was like that.
I don't know, but I guess it's fine. I mean, there was a long line with the little kids once it got busy, so.
Yep. And I'm super proud of Caleb for going down with me.
He did. Hey, Caleb, how many times did you go down that water slide? You went down 2 times and you didn't want to go at all, right?
No.
So that's pretty awesome. Was it fun? Yeah. So besides the water slide, what was your favorite part?
The lazy river.
What do you think?
About coming back? Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, we like this place. It's nice. The accommodations are beautiful. Really nice, pretty view of the golf course here. And the room's a little bit of a mess because obviously we are packing up to leave and tossing things to and fro to make sure we didn't forget any belongings.
Okay, so what was your favorite part?
My favorite part was the lazy river. It was fun floating around, get to have some conversations with my kids and my family, and swimming. Towards the end, I was doing the lazy river without the float to get my swim exercise, so that was kind of cool. I've been doing that all along. So.
What about us doing the frog from the pool?
Oh, I thought about the froggy. Dude, that thing was humongous.
He probably lives in that pool.
It's not good.
What, he just goes for a little saltwater swim every once in a while?
I don't know though. I guess though, I don't think he'd be able to get out of it though.
You guys didn't get to see this, but he hopped in again after we took him out. My dad went to go get like a little solo cup to bring him like over to the grass. But then he hopped in again, so we took like the big pool skewer thing and like picked him up with it and took him like under a tree, and then we dumped fresh water on him and he's all good.
You guys ready to go see Snowflake and Vader?
Yes, I miss them. I'm ready.
I wish we could stay here like a couple more days, but I want to see Vader and Snow.
Yeah. All right. Until next time.